Ladies and gentlemen, I'm drinking Hurricane High Gravity. Excuse the noise at the block out a lot of noise. Who's outside? Whatever the fuck. But hey, whatever. Hurricane High Gravity, 8.1% by Anheuser-Busch. You get an extra 1 ounce in this. This is actually decent right here. This is quite decent for the price. And we're talking $1.89 for this. I got 4 beers with higher alcohol content in it. I got Steel Reserve and I got Camo. I got 2 Camos. But this is very smooth. This is like the Budweiser American Reserve or whatever. Remember that Freedom Reserve beer they came out with? Maybe American Ale. Kind of like one of those. I haven't bought this in a long time, but I don't remember it being this good before. Yeah. But this is decent. This tastes like it's higher quality than the $1.89 price tag suggests. Has a less of a fruity taste. It's more like barley, toasted barley and hops. A little more on the rice side. Not as much fruitiness. More toasted. The flavor's smooth. For something 8.1% or above the average, this is quite a smooth beer. I might even get a 6-pack of this. A 6-pack of Tall Boys of this. This is decent. It's better than I thought, actually. With all that being said, again, I would share with you what I'm drinking today. This is Hurricane High Gravity Malt Liquor again. 8.1%. When are these fucking people gonna fucking leave already? Jesus Christ. Anyway. This has been a Melted John drinking production. I will talk to y'all later.